Housing inventory is finally on the rise, but affordability remains a stubborn challenge for many hopeful buyers. This is the reality unfolding in several U.S. housing markets, where prices are beginning to ease after years of relentless increases. But here's where it gets controversial. While more homes are becoming available, the dream of affordable homeownership is still out of reach for a large portion of the population. A recent blog post by the National Housing Conference, NHC, referencing data from the Joint Center for Housing Studies at Harvard University, highlights a notable shift in the housing landscape. For the first time in years, a growing number of metropolitan areas are seeing home prices either plateau or decline. This trend could signal a break from the steep price hikes that dominated the pandemic era, which effectively shut many potential buyers out of the market. To put this into perspective, Freddie Mac's data reveals that in the first quarter of 2025, 12 of the 100 largest metro areas experienced a drop in home prices. By June, that number had more than doubled to 29 markets showing price declines, the highest count since mid-2023. Most of these price adjustments are concentrated in the South and West, regions where housing inventories have expanded significantly. Take Cape Coral, Florida, as a prime example. This city has seen its housing inventory swell by 46% compared to pre-pandemic levels, and as a result, home prices there have fallen by 7.8%. This kind of inventory growth is crucial because it can help balance supply and demand, potentially easing the pressure on prices. However, and this is the part most people miss, a slowdown in price growth or even modest declines doesn't automatically translate into improved affordability. The NHC cautions that while these trends are promising, they don't yet represent widespread relief for buyers struggling with high costs. Affordability depends on many factors beyond just price, including income levels, mortgage rates, and local economic conditions. So what does this mean for you? If you're a prospective home buyer, it's important to watch these market shifts closely. Increasing inventory could eventually open doors to more options and better prices, but patience and careful planning remain essential. Here's a question to ponder. Could the current inventory growth and price softening be the start of a more balanced housing market? Or are we simply witnessing a temporary correction before prices surge again? Some experts argue that without significant improvements in wages and lending conditions, affordability will continue to be a major hurdle. What's your take? Do you believe these changes will make homeownership more accessible, or is this just a brief pause in an otherwise challenging market? Share your thoughts below.